Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Wildwood X-Lite. This is model 220 BHXL. It's a bunkhouse with a Murphy bed up front. Gives you a whole bunch of bonus room. We're going to check it out in a minute. Let's go around the outside. Power hitch jack. T6 aluminum. Not going to delam, not going to wear out. Down the side, power awning. LED light rope behind that awning. Those don't attract the bugs to your camp, as well as the yellow bug light outside. Solar ready, plug and play, and you're off grid. Magnetic fasteners. This is underneath the bed, that Murphy bed we talked about. Solid steps. These are nice because they are exactly that, solid. Here's the model, 220 BHXL. Outside speakers, has alloy wheels. The bunk rooms have windows for each bunk. We got a big locking storage compartment underneath this bottom bunk. Backside here, it has a fold down rack so you can bring the generator or the bicycles, the raft, you name it. Has these strong arm jacks. You see these yellow bars. When you put the jacks down, you tighten those strong arms up and you can't move this baby. It's going to be really solid. Black tank flush, outside shower. There's the alloy wheels. Let's take a look at the inside. Spare tire. We've been selling these Wildwoods for years, and they hold up to this Oregon rain just fine. Some of the builds from other states don't. These are made right here in Oregon. This is the Murphy bed configuration. So you have nightstands, which are like coffee tables during the day. You pull this out, pop the hinge here, and this comes down to a queen size bed. When it's down, you wouldn't know there's a sofa there. It's just like a queen size bed. There's a wardrobe on each side, as well as a charger and a USB over here. Window treatments throughout. Spot for the television up here. There's the TV backer. Dinette booth does convert into a table. They've taken the time to put some drawers in here so you can get to your storage without tearing the whole booth apart. Solid surface countertops, dual basin sink. We got a 3-burner stove with the oven underneath, a little accent light. I don't have it on this one. Stainless on the microwave, stainless on the fan, exhaust fan, glass paneled cabinets. Refrigerator freezer combination, double bunks, so you can stack them double if you need to. They both have a window and they each got a light and each have USB. Blower one also has a charging station, and they're gonna need somewhere for their clothes. We got room right here. There's also overhead storage, as well as our audio system. It's a Furrion. And then the bathroom right here in the corner. It's an all-in-one. We got the sink, the vanity, shower stall with the skylight above, and the toilet. Plus, it's got a power exhaust fan, and it has air conditioning. Everything you need, so when you want to go camping, it's already in here and you're already ready to go in this 2019 220 Wildwood BHXL here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.